Hi there, welcome back to my Crafty Lounge. I wanted to show you my planner flip through. So here are the layouts that I've done this year using planner stickers. And I wanted to just use my stamps and some of my supplies. So this is a layout that I did last week. And I just used stamps. I used silks to have that like watercoloring look to decorate my planner. And I'm going to go back and just journal each day what my takeaway was. I also, if you follow me on Instagram, I did my little Insta stories where I showed you guys how to create these cute clips. I also showed you how to create these roses. And so I want to show you this week's planner spread. So this spread is using my Calendar Essentials stamp set. And so the Calendar Essentials stamp set has a bunch of cute little icons. There's 28 stamps. 28 stamps, perfect for a bullet journal or for stamping in your planner. But what I wanted to show you today was how to create some planner clips to go with your layout. So what I did was I started with a pack of the Love Buds. And these were perfect for Valentine's Day, but I want to change it up for different colors. Since this layout is in blues, I wanted to create a blue flower. So I'm going to walk you through just how I created that. So I'm going to just use some scrap paper to punch out some circles for the back of the clip. And so what I'm going to do is grab one of my circles. And these flowers come in several sizes. There's like a small, a medium, and a larger flower. I'm going to grab this medium red flower or the pink one. And so the first step is I'm going to just adhere the circle to the back of this flower. And I'm going to use my craft glue to do that. Next, I'm going to get a foam square and cut it in half. And I'm going to put it on the back of the clip just to create like a little surrounding for the clip. Just going to make it wide enough for my clip to fit in the center. And so I'm going to put some craft glue down just to secure it in place. And next I'm going to adhere another circle just to cover all that glue up. And there you have it. You've got a really easy planner clip. Now if you want to change it up and make it a blue with all that sparkle, what I'm going to do is grab a sheet of spare paper and I'm going to bring in my Blue Lagoon Color Splash Spray. And so what I'm going to do to color this guy in is I'm going to spritz my flower. So you can spray as much or as little as you want. And so I'm going to cover the whole thing up. I love the look of it. And next I'm going to use some sparkle silk to just give it that kind of shimmer. And once the flower dries, it's gonna lighten up a bit. So what you want to do is just paint it straight on. So once this guy dries, it'll look just like this one, and it'll be really sparkly, really shimmery. So it's a great way to get a different look out of these if you don't want to stick to the traditional pink. You can also add sparkle silk to this pink rose just to give it a lot more shimmer. And you can see all that sparkle already. I really love the way the sparkle silk gives it like an enchanted look. So if you enjoyed my flower clip tutorial, please like this video and share it with someone who might like it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Crafty Lounge.